Good evening. The Arctic blast continues to intensify across the city. We are urging all residents to remain indoors as the storm shows no sign of stopping.
The calculations were wrong. The core is destabilizing the global climate far faster than anticipated. We have mere hours before the freeze is irreversible.
The core temperature is destabilizing rapidly. If we don't activate the stabilizer within the hour, the entire sector will freeze solid. This route through the Glacier Pass is our best option, but it's risky.
The atmospheric readings show a storm front moving in fast right here.
Final checks, people. The window is closing. Absolutely optimized. Packs are loaded, Stone.
Commander, an ice formation dead ahead! It's too big to bypass!
Hold on, Spark. Rerouting power to the deflectors.
Power restored to the main grid. Fascinating! The calibration levels are optimal! Well done, Lena!
Commander, look at this. The instability readings are spiking dramatically. We're heading straight into it.
This is the Whispering Ice Chasm. It's highly unstable. We proceed with extreme caution, understood.
We're almost there. I know you're tired, but the city is counting on us. Now, let's move out. The readings are incredible, Commander. Look, right here. It's definitely artificial. We found it. The energy readings are unprecedented. This harmonic resonance chamber is stabilizing the localized temporal distortion. If we modulate...
The energy readings are fluctuating precisely as predicted. We are close to stabilizing the core matrix.
Thorn, it's overloading. We have less than a minute before this whole thing blows. What did this switch do, Doctor?
It looks like a master override. Fascinating. It appears to regulate the torsion field.
All right, Spark. Input the gamma sequence, bypass the thermal regulator, then hit the main conduit switch now.
Confirmed, Doctor. Sequence engaged.
Get down now! Are you two all right?
A simple shutdown won't work. It could trigger a massive explosion. We need a precise counter sequence.
We have to shut it down now. Spark, stabilize the conduits on the left.
On it, Commander!
The readings are extraordinary.
Align the primary reflector array now, Spark. The energy levels are spiking.
Almost there, Doctor. It's stable.
Input the code now! It's 3, then 7, then the red button. Go!
team. It's working. The energy levels are normalizing. We did it!
Good morning, Lego City!
It feels good to be warm again.